Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are so welcome. Make sure you turn that notification bell on so it can let you know when your girl posts another video, okay? For all my silent viewers, I see you. Just come on in and press that subscribe button. Anyway guys, I am coming to you today with a cook with me video. I will be preparing steak and shrimp fajitas with arroz con gandules, a side of black beans with some crumbled cojita cheese, and I'm gonna like finely dice up some cilantro and cover it, and I'm gonna make a Mexican style street corn. Guys, they did not have the fresh corn that I usually use, but I'm gonna show you a trick using canned corn. Let's go.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. Close. Side. Wanna be by your side. Close. Just for a while. Stay by my side. If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm still jealousy. But hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed.